And last but not least, the 1931 Chevrolet AE Independence 5-window coupe.
Yes.
I love 5-window coupes. They're so cool. Black over pewter. It's got a 45 cubic inch LS7 V8. It's Rodder's Digest featured. This thing is a hot rod. You would never expect somebody to pick a 5-window coupe to do this to. Normally they kept them restored in as-built condition.
Yeah.
But the value of those has gone down so much, and I think people are saying, well,
might as well
do this. Right. So DFI fuel injection, air conditioning, and the old Willwood disc brakes.